Hello, my fellow students and youth. I am Jimmy Localan, here to give advice on how we can strengthen our body and mind with proper nutrition. Come on, let's talk about it. Did you know that our brain and body are like a car? They need quality fuel to perform well. Here are the nutrients that should always be on our daily menu.
Number 1. Proteins, strength for the body. Chicken, eggs, beans or yogurt. Protein is the foundation of our muscles and speeds up cell repair. This is where we get focus and endurance. Number 2. Complex carbs. Energizer until afternoon. Swap your white rice for brown rice or oats. Whole grains like bread provide steady energy so you don't get sleepy or think slowly. Number 3. Healthy fats. Brain booster and mood enhancer. Avocado, peanuts, or fish like salmon, healthy fats sharpen memory and reduce stress. Yes, a happy brain is a well-fed brain. Number 4. Vitamins and minerals. Fight sickness and fatigue. Make your food colorful. Spinach, carrots, berries, and oranges. That's the answer to strong immunity and an energy boost.
Bonus tip: drink 8 glasses of water every day. Dehydration equals headache plus low energy. Stay hydrated, stay sharp. For our next lunch, think every bite is a step closer to our goals. Avoid junk food, pack nutrition food, and always remember our health is our secret weapon to success. Your potential starts on your plate.